Today our topic is model auxiliary verb must. This is the video in the series of model auxiliary verb. Earlier we learned about many model auxiliary verb in this series. Today our topic is model auxiliary verb must. We often use model auxiliary verb must to show obligation or invitations, for our disapproval of something, to show that we use must. Should also used for obligation. We know that many of model auxiliary verbs are used for same thing or same situation. Here we are going to discuss about model auxiliary verb must, where and how it is used here. First, used in obligation and invitation. First of all, model auxiliary verb is used as to show obligation. You must come forward. Here must, it is obligation. You must pay your bills on time. That is our obligation. Here first, you must submit your project. Here must indicates obligation. Anyhow, you will have to submit your project by 2nd of this month, by 15th of this month. This is our deadline. Within that deadline, we have to submit or we have to work that particular thing. Next one, we must attend the seminar. While you are in college, while you are in company, some seminars or some things, some projects are important. To meet the project's fulfillment, we have to attend particular seminar. So here must, it indicates obligation. It indicates obligation. Next here, you must come down and have dinner with me. That is not obligation, but that is invitation. You must. You must attend the program. You must attend the marriage. That is what? Invitation. Next, he must apologize for his mistake. Misdeed. What is that? Misdeed or his mistake. That is also obligation. While you are making some misdeed, you will have to be apologized, so that you will have to apologize for your misdeed. So these are some uses of must, indicating the modality of obligation and invitation. So these kinds of sentence we may use in our daily routine. So that enhances our speaking qualities, that enhances our knowledge, and also that enhances, that increases our confidence while talking in English. Next one, to speculate about the truth. What is that? That is speculation. To guess. What is that? To guess about the truth. So here, you must be joking. If something happened and a person says that is very much disapproving for us, then we say that you are saying there is a joke. What you are showing, that is must be a joke. That is a humor. Why? Because we can't speculate that, but that person, he speculates the particular thing. Next, Mr. Roy is here. It must be Friday. That is, if he comes, then it is Friday. Why? Because that is the things, only that particular thing is happening on that particular period. So that is why this particular sentence or these kinds of uses of must indicates that is speculation about truth. That is speculation about truth. Yes, there is someone on the door. It must be, or he must be milkman. That is our speculation about the condition. Next, she must be mad. She must be mad, right? So when you are in a stunning mood and someone says you the surprising thing, that time we use these things, this expression. When someone is telling us, that time we use these kinds of expression. Here exclamatory mark is used. Here exclamation mark used means that person is totally stunned. Third one is that used for criticism or disapproval. Sometimes we do not approve the things that a person is saying to us, and we show our disapproval. We show our disapproval for that particular thing. Here, why must people give bribes? Here means we are not supporting the bribe, but people, and in the people I or we also there. So that is our question, that is our anguish, that why must we pay bribe? Must you play that music so loud? Must you play that music so loud? That is disapproval. Means you must not play that music so loud. So that these kinds of questions are used to show disapproval or criticism. Right. Next, why must they walk miles and miles? Some workers, they go to their home by walk only. So that is our criticism. That is our criticism, that why they are not able to go by any means of vehicle. So that is our criticism, as well as that is our disapproval according to the situation. The thing that we show indicates sometimes disapproval, sometimes criticism. Next, why must not worker pay high wages? That is our criticism. What we want to show here? We want to show is that worker must be paid high wages. So this sentence shows us criticism as well as disapproval of what we think and what is going on in the world. Fourth, indicates rule and laws. We are abide by law. We have to follow the law. While showing that we use must, two-wheeler riders must wear helmet. Yes, that is true. So that there is a law, there is rule. So that we use here must. In earlier video we said that two-wheeler riders should wear helmet. That is also indicates a rule, but it is more strict while we use must. That is more emphasizing. Next, we must follow the traffic rules as per first sentence. That is also showing the rules and laws. Third one, all births and deaths must be registered. That is also law, and we have to follow the law. These are some modalities of modal auxiliary verb must. If you have any queries, you can comment. Thank you for watching this video.